Want to remove the background of your video in Capcut and don't know how? In this tutorial, I will teach you how to do it step by step. This technique is very useful for those who want to do a tutorial video or they just want to put their face in a gaming video. So we will be removing the background of a video with the green screen on it and the other one without the green screen. Okay, let's load our video that we want the background removed. So first is we will be working with a green screen on it. Then click the video to select it. At the upper right hand corner of the screen under the video, click Output and then click the checkbox under the chroma key. Click the eyedropper under the color picker and then click the green color of the video. Adjust the strength to 100 to remove the background of the video. Then, as you can see, it's done. It did a great job on the selection. Now, load a background video by placing it under the existing video to put it behind. And we will then resize the image by clicking on it, then click Basic, under Position and Size, then drag the scale slider to resize it. Click and drag the video to its position. Now, let's try the other video without the green screen. But first is to select two existing video that was loaded previously, then hit the delete key. Now load the video that we want the background removed. So you have to click to select the video. Then go to the upper right side corner of the screen under video. Then click Cut Out. Then choose Auto Cut Out. It will start to analyze and process the video and then just wait for it for a little bit. And then when it's done, click on your video and you can see that the video background had been removed. And now, if you want to change or add a different background, just find a video or image and click, then drag it down below the video that we just worked on. And as you can see, we have successfully changed the background of our video. And now, if you're making a tutorial or gaming video, you don't want your face to be in the middle of the screen. So you want it at the side or in the corner. So this is how we adjust the video. Just click on the video again and on the upper right side corner of the screen, under the video, click Basic. You can find the position and size option. Just adjust the scale to make it smaller, and if you're satisfied with the size, point your mouse on the player pane and then drag the video to the corner where you want the position to be. Now, if you want to adjust it further, just repeat the same process in resizing and moving the video. Let's say you want to make a gaming video. So you just have to delete the existing background video, then click and drag your gaming video below the resized video that we just created. So if I play the video, this is how it will look. Now you can play around with it, so you can resize it again and move it in a different position, change another background, and that's how easy this process is done. And even a beginner can do it easily. And that's it. That is how you remove background in Capcut PC. I hope you liked it. Now, if you have any questions or confusion, comment down below and I will respond to each and every question as soon as possible. I hope this video helped you, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on that notification bell to keep you updated. Thank you for watching.